Dear customers, the coronavirus crisis is a global humanitarian challenge, affecting people all over the world even faster than anticipated. Many countries are shutting down and implementing emergency measures to slow disease spread so that health system can cope. People safety is our top priority. Throughout the Straumann Group, we are doing everything we can to ensure the safety of our people, the safety of our customers and their patients, and the safety of everyone who is affected by our activities. We are following and implementing the guidance and regulation of the countries in which we operate. And we have taken additional measures to prevent the virus spreading. Our second priority is to ensure the continuity of our supplies and services throughout the world and to support your business. We have taken initiatives and prepared contingency plans at all our plants and logistics centers to ensure that you can get the product you need at the time you need them. Many of our customer service teams are now set up for home working, so you can continue to place orders as normal. Alternatively, you can use also our e-shop, which is online 24/7. If you have any support requirements and have any suggestions on how we can support you and your team during the coming weeks, please do not hesitate to contact your local Straumann Group office or your local distributor. To help you further and to keep you informed, we have created this dedicated website specifically to address the coronavirus issues and to provide you with useful information, contact details, and more. Thank you for your continued loyalty to our brand, and please take care during this very difficult period. Thank you.